Okay, in this video we are going to work on the salaried, what's the last one? The last one, the sales employee. Before we do that, let's go back and fix a couple of issues that I saw. So here my string function does return a string, so I do need to specify that string there. This function does return a string, so I need to specify that. No, this one's a void. Excuse me, set employee is a void. All right, double check. Set address is a void. Set str is a string. I believe I have that there, but I also failed to put that on. Oh, I did. I put that there. Did it right one place at least, right? Oh, I missed it here. This returns a string. Okay, and let's just compile that, make sure that's working. Still have a ton of errors. And once again, I forgot the inheritance pattern. So, public employee. There we go. It's harder to do this when you're, got a bunch of people watching you making a video, but that's okay. All right, still got a ton of errors, but a little bit less. Oh, okay, in salaried employee, I accidentally put out instead of SS, and that's because that's what I named my object as. Compile this again just so we can figure out some of these issues. And now we're on to our main. Let's see, me.str. I think we'll get to that. I think we are sales employee. I think we're on the sales employee class, and it will fix a lot of these errors. So let's just worry about our sales employee class, and then we'll clean up the code a little bit, find some errors that we're in, and get the entire program working. Sales employee is not going to have a destructor because I don't have any pointers in it. I do need to pound include. Okay. Going back to our picture, sales employee inherits salaried employee. So here, I need to put salaried employee because that will have all the information I need. Since salaried employee already includes employee, I don't need to include that. Okay, go back to our picture. Salaried employee is going to have commission and sales. That's our only extra variables in this one. And I don't need this because I'm going to implement it inline. So I'm going to say double sales commission. How do you spell commission? Anyone know? C-O-M-M-I-S-S-I-O-N. 2 S's. There we go. Sales and commission. Okay. That means, let's just move this over so we could see a little bit of our image that we're basing this off of. That was too far. Okay, name, year, month, day, commission. Oh, we need salary in here, and then commission and sales. So, string, name, int, year, and month, and day, double salary, double commission, double sales. There it is. K. I say K a lot, sorry. Instead of inheriting the employee class, I am going to say public, I could spell it, salaried employee. That way, when I instantiate a salaried employee, I just have to send it the information it's expecting. A salaried employee will take parameters of, and I'm going to just put this on the next line. It'll still compile on the next line. It's just getting way too long. Name, year, month, day, and salary. A salaried employee will take all of those parameters. And salaried employee will divvy the salary out to the salaried employee, but it will pass on year, month, day, and name to the general employee class. Now I'm going to define commission as the incoming variable, and I'm going to define sales as the incoming variable. And now my constructor is done. Now I want to be able to display that information, so I'm going to add a virtual function, string str, and I'll implement that down below because that's going to be a little bigger. This time I will put the return type in. Okay, I want this to have string, and I want it to display not the employee, but the salaried employee. And then I want to add the next information. So here I'll say sales and commission. So we'll put in the keyword sales. And then I want to do the same thing with the amount of commission they returned. There we go. Don't forget to return your string. And our class is now done. So here, we are hoping this will compile, because at this point it should have all of the bits and pieces that it needs. But it's not. So I will take a look at these, and we will catch you in the next video, and we'll finish off main to get this to work, because we are going to actually create a vector, and every time they add in an employee, we'll add it to the vector.